Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so we will be going straight into what we have right here. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay, so this had been on downtrend right from here. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. It kept on selling and selling, broke out from this particular support zone, and of course it has got into a new support zone. If it's unable to break out from here, then it will change the direction of the trend into an uptrend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so we should have that at the back of our mind. Okay, so next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It was an uptrend before, even though the movement was somehow, but it was more of an uptrend than a downtrend. But after getting to this resistance zone, it was unable to go further, and of course it started selling right from there. So it sold till it got to this particular support zone, and of course had a pullback right from there. And of course guys, it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, it will continue with the downtrend. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity right from there. Let's move on to crash 1000. This is crash 1000, and this had been on uptrend for a very long time. Got to this resistance zone, wasn't able to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 actually went on uptrend, but came to an end at this spot and started a downtrend right from there, and it has been selling since then. But it got to this support zone, it was unable to break out from there. So if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go fully into an uptrend. This is still selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time, but in case it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will change the direction into an uptrend. So let's move on to volatility 75. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. It started a downtrend right from here, and of course it has gotten to this spot. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend. Okay, so if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy more. So this is buying at the moment, so it's more of a buying than a selling opportunity at the moment. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every aspect of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.